Hi, I'm Josh Nichols. My PIP was basically if electric cars can become more efficient, and if so, how is it possible to do it? We excelled in a lot of skills and concepts throughout this project. Some of the 21st century skills that I exceeded in were analyzing information and also problem solving, because the website I found that allowed me to be able to make the RC car did have directions, although not specific enough. Like, for example, there was no exact measurement length and just things like that. So I had to kind of problem solve and analyze it to be able to figure out how much I needed. For math, just basically finding other ways to do traditional math. For science, how technology furthers research, and the reason I picked that was because I used a program called Robot C that can make it move exact time, so you don't need to use a stopwatch and be unprecise. For language arts, I did different types of research because I used a lot of different things to research topics for this project. And then for social studies, I picked the science and technology out of the list because that's what my project has most to do with. Some of the successes for this project were that I built the chassis in a fairly reasonable time and when I wanted to, and also the electronics. At first I was going to put the electronics under failure, but then I figured it out and how to do them, so I put it under success. Some of the failures were that I couldn't do any tests with the car, with the battery, or any tests with the car and the battery with no other traditional or renewable energy source. In the beginning of this project, it was just kind of a concept, an idea that I wanted to do, and I was just trying to find how to build the car. The middle was this part of having the chassis and almost being ready to test it. And then the end will be after I complete all the tests with the battery and other renewable energy sources and try to just, if it is successful and more energy efficient than other electric cars out now, that it will be able to just promote it into the community and build a working prototype, real car, hopefully, and just promote it.